She really, really, really takes care of us, the family. Ako at yung tatlo naming anak. Alam ko, hindi papayag si Lisa na may problema, na aayusin niya kagad. And you always know that she has your back. So, yeah, that's
Sweet.
Oh, well, now your turn.
Your best quality, you are so... I always tell people, for someone so intelligent, you're so kind, Paul. So patient, so mabait, always sees the good qualities in people. Not a mean soul in your body. And I know you love the country, and God, the things you put up with, I don't know how you do it. But idol. I'm so proud of you also. Ano po ang love language ni PBBM at ni FL Lisa?
What is that?
Ano, love language?
No, I know, but what? I don't know if we can.
I think laughter, right? I mean, we just...
I think so. I think it's just really that's a hard question.
I know.
We just try to, I suppose, to be with each other as much as possible. And as I said earlier, snatch what little time there is in both our busy schedules to spend time with one another. It's really time, because that's, of course, the most valuable thing.
I don't think we have any language. I think
I don't think you can put it down to one thing. There's so many things that we do that.
kasi my husband's deep. Parang, you know na that he loves you. Okay, cut.
Nakukornihan talaga ako kay Tulfo. I'm assuming this is one Tulfo statement, no? Wala lang, na-cringe lang ako sa kanya. Kasi sabi ba naman na kung ano-ano na daw pinagsasabi ni former President Duterte and so on. Parang, anong planeta ka galing? Ang dami ngang pumapalakpak, ang dami ngang nadala tuloy dun sa mga statements eh. Sobrang nagtatanong na, ano pa ba? Ano pa bang kailangan nating gawin? Di ba? Yan. Ang saya-saya. Minsan ang sarap yung click mo yung block. Parang, tapos makikita mo na later on, wala na yung mga words. 1% business tax, Duterte, BBM, 3% na! Oh my gosh. Sabi ni Rolando, 2 unit service buses, Apex Mining, tinamaan ng landslide. Check natin, may party pa sa Malacanang. So, sabi ni Facebook user, press release nila, bumaba ang crime rate. Sabi ni Pobreng Pinoy, PRD owns the narrative. Lahat nakatutok kung ano sasabihin niya. Totoo yan. So, yung mga tools, hanggang doon na lang, derivatives na lang yung kanilang mga hirit dyan. Mga China, mga papahingahin yun na si Duterte. Yeah. Tama. It would be funny if you were able to persuade even just one person. However, sabi ni Cloyd, vlogger sa YouTube patuloy nagkalye survey, BBM versus PRD, sinong magaling na presidente? Nako, sa 1,000, 5 lang ang nag-Marcos at kadalasan sila sabi, drugs daw, bumalik na. Aray. Sabi ni Ismes, is me SG boy. Attorney Trix, balik na po kayo sa Malacanang please. Kakainis kung sino man nagpatanggal sa inyo. Alam nyo kasi, bawal matalino doon. Nako lang. Uy, magagalit na naman sa akin. Maghahanap na naman ng trabaho para matanggal ako. Sabi ni Ma'am Karen, any info sa story ni Sir Mark Lopez na aarestuhin daw si FPRD? How true? Yes ma'am, kanina po namin pinag-uusapan. Ang dami kasing antecedents, tapos biglang rumagsa ang rumor kanina na aarestuhin nga daw si dating Pangulo. Kasi sunod-sunod nga, didismantle, lumabas yung balita na disbungkahin na ang Task Force Davao. Pinrobe yung mga baril niya. Nagalit yung ilang mga ahensya, may statement tungkol dun sa inciting to sedition. Kayo, mag-guilty kayo ha. Yung mga maling sinasabi tungkol sa sinabi ni Presidente Duterte, ni former President Duterte. Stop twisting his words. Nakakapahamak yan. So, yun. Dahil yung sunod-sunod yung mga ganun, tapos yung mga ahensya nagsasabi na inciting to sedition yan. Meron pang nagsasabi na scurrilous libel daw. yung sinasabi tungkol dun sa presidente at yung paggamit niya ng bawal na substances, di ba? So, dahil sunod-sunod yung mga ganun na diskusyon, yun yung mga antecedents, lumabas tuloy. And very credible yung mga sources dito. Of course, si Spock's Harry, pangunahin yan, na yun nga yung mangyayari. And supposedly, mangyayari dapat yan today. Para sa akin, medyo nakahinga ako ng malalim nung banda alas 4, alas 5, nung medyo, tapos dumidilim na, tapos in-announce ni CSAFP Browner na hindi daw tatanggalin na ang Task Force Davao. So para sa akin, necessary yun eh. Kasi baka magkagulo kung may Task Force Davao tapos biglang may mag-serve ng warrant of arrest for whatever reason, hindi natin alam. So for whatever reason, necessary